Why are investors taking a fresh look at Japan? The Bank of Japan hiked interest rates in March for the first time in 17 years. This is not a sign that the Bank of Japan is anxious about inflation, but rather it is a sign that the era of negative interest rates and deflation is over. We think that the Bank of Japan will raise rates cautiously and gradually, enabling investors to focus on the country's brightening growth outlook and to consider increasing both short-term and long-term portfolio allocations to Japanese equities. Decades of uncertainty have left investors largely underweight Japan, but Japanese companies now have a renewed focus on profitability. The government, regulators, and industry associations have made a concerted effort to change corporate behavior. Spearheading the charge for corporate reforms is the Tokyo Stock Exchange, which has pushed companies to improve their governance. The companies that have published their plans to improve governance have outperformed those that have not by 16 percentage points since the start of 2023. Japanese companies are increasingly returning cash to shareholders, and we see ongoing corporate reforms lifting profitability over the coming years. We're also watching to see whether a pensions overhaul turns domestic savers into investors. And megaforces, or big structural shifts, are also shaping returns. For example, an aging demographic has focused Japanese companies on using technology to boost productivity. The bottom line is, after decades of economic stagnation, corporate reforms, megaforces like aging population and digital disruption, and a brighter economic outlook are spurring new opportunities in Japanese equities. In our view, that supports an overweight to Japan within investment portfolios.